Do you still believe that walking every day is enough to stay fit, strong, and healthy after 60? Walking is great, no doubt. It boosts your mood, keeps your heart pumping, and helps clear your mind. But here's the hidden truth that most people never hear from their doctors. Walking alone doesn't stop muscle loss. It doesn't train your balance reflexes. And it doesn't protect you from the number one cause of injuries in older adults, falls. After the age of 50, your body begins a process called sarcopenia, a natural decline in muscle tissue. You can lose up to 1 to 2% of muscle mass every single year if you don't actively work against it. That means weaker legs, slower reflexes, poor posture, and more risk of falling, even if you're walking every day. But here's the good news, your body never stops responding to the right stimulus. Even at 60, 70, or 80 years old, you can rebuild muscle, regain balance, and move with youthful energy again. You just need the right type of movement, not more movement. And in this video, I'll show you 6 simple, joint-friendly, therapeutic exercises that will strengthen your body from the inside out, in just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Stick with me till the end, because what you'll learn today could truly change how you walk, how you move, and how you age. 1. Wall Push UPS, the Posture Reviver. Let's start with one of the simplest but most powerful exercises, Wall Push UPS. If you've noticed your shoulders slouching forward or your back rounding more than before, that's not just aging. That's your postural muscles getting weaker. Wall push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and most importantly, the core and spinal stabilizers that hold your body upright, like the serratus anterior and erector spinae. Here's how you do it. Stand facing a wall, hands at shoulder height. Step back a little, keep your body straight, and slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall. Then, push yourself back as you breathe out. This simple motion reactivates the chain of muscles that fight gravity every single day. It opens your chest, strengthens your arms, and trains your brain to maintain good alignment. It even improves your breathing, because when your chest is open, your lungs have more space to expand. And get this, better posture means better balance. You'll stand taller, breathe deeper, and feel more stable with every step you take. Do 10 to 15 reps daily and watch how quickly your upper body feels stronger and lighter. 2. Calf raises, the heart of the legs. Next up, calf raises, also known as the life pump. Your calf muscles, the gastrocnemius and soleus, are vital for more than walking. They act as a pump that helps push blood back toward your heart. When these muscles weaken, circulation slows down. That's when swelling, varicose veins, and leg fatigue start showing up. To fix that, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, and slowly rise up onto your toes. Pause for a second at the top, then lower yourself back down slowly. This simple movement improves blood flow, reduces swelling, strengthens your ankles, and reawakens the fast-twitch fibers that help prevent falls. Strong calves don't just help you walk, they keep your legs alive, energized, and young. Do 15 to 20 reps a day, and you'll feel the difference, lighter legs, better stability, and more endurance in every step. 3. Marching in place, the safe cardio combo. Now let's move your entire body, safely. Marching in place is one of the most effective ways to get the benefits of walking without the risk of tripping or uneven surfaces. Here's how. Stand tall, lift your knees one at a time as if marching proudly, and swing your arms naturally. Start slow, then build up to a comfortable rhythm. This move strengthens your hips, thighs, and core, while gently elevating your heart rate. It also reactivates your neural pathways, the communication between your brain and muscles, which sharpens coordination and reaction time. And there's a bonus, this simple cardio exercise also reduces stress, boosts endorphins, and gives you a real sense of control over your body again. Do this for just 2 to 5 minutes a day, and you'll notice your energy, posture, and walking confidence return in no time. 4. Chair squats, the independence builder. This one is huge. The squat is one of the most important functional movements we can do. It's how we sit, stand, and live independently. But with age, weak hips and knees can make this simple movement difficult, and avoiding it only makes the problem worse. Start with chair squats for safety. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the ground. Lean forward slightly, engage your core, and push through your heels to stand up. Then slowly sit back down. You're not just training your legs, you're teaching your body balance, coordination, and control. This builds the exact strength needed for daily tasks, getting out of bed, using the toilet, climbing stairs, or getting off the floor. Studies show that doing squats regularly can increase bone density, improve walking speed, and reduce fall risk by over 30%. Start small, even 5 squats a day, and work your way up. Every repetition brings back independence and confidence. 5. Glute bridge, the pain reliever. If you've ever had lower back pain or felt stiffness after sitting, this next exercise is a game changer, the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your core and lift your hips toward the ceiling while squeezing your glutes. Hold for a second, then lower down slowly. What this does is awaken the muscles that protect your spine, your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back stabilizers. As we age, these muscles tend to switch off from sitting too much. When they weaken, the lower back starts doing all the work, and that's where pain begins. By practicing glute bridges, you reprogram your body to move correctly again, power from the hips, not from the spine. You'll notice better posture, less pain, and a stronger core. Even better, this move improves circulation and opens your diaphragm, helping you breathe deeper and feel more energized. 6. Side leg raises, the balance defender. Last but not least, the side leg raise, the secret weapon for balance. Most people train forward and backward movement, but real-life falls often happen sideways. That's why strengthening your glute medius, the muscle on the side of your hip, is crucial. Stand beside a chair or wall for support. Lift one leg out to the side slowly, pause, then bring it back down. You'll feel your hip working, that's your stabilizer turning on. This small motion builds side-to-side stability, improves posture, and corrects knee alignment. When the glute medius is strong, your steps become smoother, your pelvis stays level, and your gait looks and feels youthful again. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 reps per side, a few times a week. In just a few weeks, you'll notice fewer wobbles, more control, and more confidence walking anywhere, even on uneven ground. There you have it, 6 simple exercises that rebuild what walking alone can't. They restore your strength, improve circulation, protect your joints, and rewire your balance reflexes. Remember, it's not your age that takes away mobility, it's the lack of the right kind of movement. Your muscles can rebuild, your reflexes can sharpen, and your body can come back stronger, at any age. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need your body, a wall, a chair, and a few minutes of dedication every day. Start today. Your first repetition is your first step toward freedom, balance, and energy that lasts a lifetime. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because on Senior Wellness and Health, we're proving that life after 60 can be your strongest, healthiest, and most confident chapter yet. Because aging doesn't mean slowing down, it means learning how to move smarter.